have trouble when they get into the judging room, because that would be quite a bit of time. And I will come back when it's time, and I'll move you all to the judging area. For now, I'll need to go there and take time.
Sorry, you said show an intro?
Just make sure that your stuff works. That's what you're here for. Make sense? I'll have to juggle between. Daniel, if you hear me, I think you have an idea what you're doing. And I have to move around. So sorry, I'll be back in like 3 minutes or so.
Oh my god.
That's so good. Screen share is gonna be you, Ethan. I'll probably do a bit of talking.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Where did Richard go? He's in some other person's room.
What the heck?
Oh.
Okay, hold on. I have never used Zoom in my life.
Oh, that's the rest in pieces.
Oh, I see. There's some sus stuff on my browser.
Oh. Well, Alex, you doing all the speaking?
Well, I'll try to do a little bit as well.
Yeah.
I don't know. I probably won't be speaking much this time.
It's okay.
Where did Richard go? Oh my. He's still waiting.
Oh no. Or wait, did they put in the wrong guy into our breakup?
No, I don't think so. Maybe?
We're down the guy, bro.
Yeah.
I guess when the admin comes back, he'll let Richard in.
Oh, Henrik is here.
I'm here again. Daniel, I think you're not host or anything. I'm trying to just give you rights, but for some reason
Yes, Richard's here.
Wait. I think I'll have to go to the other room, and I'll just at some point just move you. Have you tried your screen share and talking?
Oh, not yet. I'm gonna try screen share right now.
Yes, screen sharing.
Let's see. Is it working? Oh my god, it's working.
Yeah,
Looks like it.
it's on her. Yeah, yes, I can see that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I will go. I'll move you once you're ready, and then once we are ready on the other side, and then see you. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, wait. So what's the plan?
Wait, what did he even say? I couldn't even make it.
He'll move us in once we're ready,
Oh,
but I don't
okay.
know how he's gonna know when we're ready.
I mean, when the time hits 40, right? Like real soon.
I just
So
go with the flow.
Okay, the
That's fine.
plan
just go with the
the plan is we each have something to say, but I could detail about more about what the project actually is, and then explore the features. Or Ethan could also um, particularly show the features. I could just direct you, Ethan, to like what you click on and talk about it.
that's a good idea.
Uh, and yeah, Richard could talk about his function that he was implementing in the backend, which was the photo upload.
Yes.
And yeah,
Okay. We should have everyone. Now, I think this time I'm gonna have to be a little more tight on the time. Sorry, guys. Okay, you can, Mohammed and Abdullah ready. You can start time. And
Sorry, just to confirm, this is the boys' team, right?
yeah.
this is the boy.
Yes.
Okay.
Just take us a bit of a second to set up our
Okay, so let me know when you're
judging
ready.
form because we have to re-input everything.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good from my end.
Just give me. Yeah, I'm good.
I'll just guys start your screen share. If you want to screen share it, do that.
Yes.
Do the time.
All right. So our project started off with a simple question. We hang out a lot and very frequently, and we often ask ourselves, "Oh, what did we do last week or last month or even a very recent time? Like, what did we have for lunch just today?" And it turns out that we as humans, we forget a lot of these things as we move on and on with our very busy lives, and especially as our lives continue getting more and more cluttered by technology. And so we wanted to create an app that allows you to take a step back from everything and to just discover everything that's happened to us in the past. And that's what brought our app Eterna to life. So the general idea behind this app is that we want to allow users to store and retrieve their memories, whether that be photos, notes, or past thoughts. And we wanted to streamline this process to be efficient and natural and intuitive. And the way that we decided to do this was we wanted to utilize AI in a way that allows users to very easily upload, sort, so tagging photos, and then retrieving them very easily using natural text.
Yeah, let's give a quick demonstration. So right away we could choose a file and then give it an upload. So if you select a file, and that would just bring the image into the database, you can give it a quick description, and this is going to allow the AI to kind of keep note of this, and this would allow the system to begin tracking kind of your life, and you can start looking back at it. And so if you take a look at the memory tab, once the upload is successful, let's say these are some of the go into the memory tab. This would be what the memory would be once it is populated. Let's take a look at the timeline. But the timeline is going to show a quick visualization of what you've had throughout your life. And if you ever want to click into these, we believe that if we were to bring this project into like an actual startup development, a lot of these features can be explored with a large database server like with Amazon AWS. So far, what we've done is done this with local storage, and then if you click on personal tasks, this is going to be a little to-do list logger, so we could actually just add a few tasks real quick, like test, for example. Yeah. Yeah, and then if you add it to the to-do list, you could actually check it off once you're done. And even if you reload the page, yeah, they still retain there. And as part of the UI, we've used Tailwind CSS along with React JavaScript. So this allowed us to provide a pretty modern design. And if you click on the dark mode, you'll notice that, yeah, the top right, yeah, you notice you can choose between these two depending on the preference. Yeah, and finally statistics. So in the future, when you're actually going to scale this to like an enterprise level, you might want to see how the client is using, or you might want to offer the client how they're going to see their usage. So this is going to be the tab for that. And yeah, for now, for our minimum viable product, we have the most basic functionality, but it does connect successfully with the Gemini API, which is used to tag the image back in the upload in profile. But yeah, this is the main gist of our project. Eterna is it's a powerful memory retrieval system. It allows you to search for past experiences, images, moments using natural language queries, and we use Gemini AI for intelligent memory tagging, and we use offline storage for the minimum viable product implementation. So yeah, that would be our demonstration.
Awesome. Great job, guys. I think now we move on to Q&A. I have a quick question. So what is the AI part of your project doing?
Yeah, so the AI is going to take in either the short description from the user, or it's going to process the image which has been passed in. The image is taken as binary data, and the backend is going to call the Google Gemini API to process these data assets, and then they're going to categorize them into. For now, because of local storage, we're probably going to use a JSON, but if we're using a SQL database in the future for more scalable purposes, it's going to categorize these memories, which are the data, like including text or images. For now, it could also be voice, which will allow the application to search for relevant matches based on tags that the AI has categorized. So the AI's main role is to categorize and tailor searches to be relevant, and you don't have to have exact keyword matching.
Awesome. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, Mohammed, do you have any questions?
Thank you again. This is a lovely presentation. I love the UI, and when you said Tailwind CSS, I'm like, yes, I use it every day. I love the UI. One, I think, not much of a question, just because Abdullah did ask all the good ones, but for future purposes, I would suggest you to try to connect it to a local database. For example, you can install Docker, or even if you're scared of Docker, Xmap you can install, and you can run MySQL database on your local computer. It just makes it easier for your future purposes. That way you can better build up and navigate a project, because I understand that dealing with JSONs is kind of drastically different than when you have to deal with a database.
Yeah, actually, a lot of the front-end code is going to be very easily extendable for implementing databases, because what I've done in some parts is actually, like, some of the code can just be replaced with leveraging the libraries for like SQL and other similar databases. A lot of the logic is going to remain similar, so that should not be an issue.
And quickly, we didn't. So the AI there's no way for us to get a demo of the AI functionality, right?
the only functionality that we can really show well is the AI memory part, which we demoed a little bit earlier, but I didn't show it that clearly, so we can do it again. So if you attach an image or choose a file, an image of some sort, it'll appear here, and then you can give it a short description. For example, in this case, I can label this as a classroom lesson. And then when I upload this image, what's really happening under the hood is we're sending this image to, we're using computer vision in order to kind of summarize this image and give it specific tags that are generated by the AI. So if I click on upload image, it's going to upload it to our local file system. And then it's going to generate all these tags for you based on the image that you gave it. So you see that in the description, I only said classroom lesson, but the AI has generated several other tags for us to use when we're trying to search for it in the memories.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. I think last time you didn't see that one. Thank you.
Okay, just to get it short, this will be the last part. We have to move on. So thank you for playing that. Your eye looks really neat to me. So great job on that. And yeah, then I hope to see you later. And thanks for presenting. Yeah. To judges, you can create people. I will just let me know when you're done, and then we can move to the next team. We'll just have a slight delay here, but that's fine. They have like a break there, but that's okay.
I submit. I'm good.
Yeah, same here.
Okay. Then to the participants, please leave, or I need to kick you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that was it. Surprisingly, that went fine. Yeah.
They like the project.
What?
They like the project.
Yeah, I guess so.
And so you like the project.